We made a tutorial for the PL Premium Remover. We glued 2 hardwood floor samples together with PL Premium construction adhesive and intentionally left some adhesive residue on a sample piece. The PL Premium Remover is designed to remove premium PL and urethane-based construction glue residue as well as urethane-based spray foam insulation. It should not harm the finish of engineered hardwood, cork, luxury vinyl, linoleum, vinyl plank, laminate, porcelain, and natural stone products. To use this product, wear gloves and spray it evenly on the residue. Let this work for a few minutes. For this tutorial, we left it for 10 minutes. Use a scrub pad or brush to remove the adhesive residue. For this tutorial, we're using the FCS Solutions white scrub pad. The time required to soften the glue residue will vary with the chemical composition and thickness of the glue, as well as the temperature and texture of the surface. After all the glue residue has been removed, dampen a clean cloth with water and wipe the surface. This remover got all of the PL Premium adhesive residue off of the hardwood in just a few minutes. The PL Premium remover is easy to use, works quickly, and doesn't damage flooring finishes. To shop PL Premium Remover, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.